I'm gonna blow your mind right now. Are you ready? Most cars do not need premium gas. Let me repeat that for the people in the back. Most cars do not need premium gas. Now, before I get hundreds of comments telling me that I'm wrong and that all cars need premium gas, let me explain. I'm talking about the vast majority of cars out there, the ones that don't require premium gas. The owner's manual will say right on the door jamb, hey, use regular gas, you goofball. But people still fall into the trap of using premium gas because they think it is better for their car. I'm here to tell you that it is not. Premium gas is a higher octane fuel, which means it burns slower. This is great for high-performance vehicles like sports cars or muscle cars because they have really high compression ratios. If you put low-octane fuel in those cars, it can actually cause what's called premature detonation. That's when the fuel explodes instead of combusting properly. You don't want that. It's bad for your engine. But the vast majority of cars out there are not high-performance vehicles. They don't require the slower-burning premium gas. In fact, putting premium gas in those types of vehicles is a complete waste of money. You're just flushing money down the toilet in the form of higher emissions. Now, some cars actually require premium gas. Usually it's higher-end luxury vehicles or vehicles that are turbocharged or supercharged. Those cars need the higher octane fuel or else they could experience knocking. But most cars out there, like I said, do not require premium gas. If your vehicle doesn't require premium gas and you're using it anyway, you're probably thinking, oh, it must be better for my car because it says premium on the gas cap. Well, that's not true either. Car manufacturers actually recommend that you use the highest octane fuel that is available at the cheapest price. So if you're using premium gas because you think it's better for your car, stop doing that right now. You're wasting money. Use regular gas. Your car will run just fine. And if you're at the pump right now putting premium gas in your car, go ahead and hit the brakes. Get out of your car. Walk away and use regular gas. Now, I said that this was going to blow your mind, but I have a couple more facts that will absolutely blow your mind when it comes to fuel. Check it out right here.